Hello friends, thank you so much for stopping by. This is Gina and I have had such a stressful day at work. I just logged off. I'm fortunate I get to work at home, but I'm exhausted and frustrated. So I thought, what better way to shake off the frustrating work day and brighten up my mood than with opening my box. So I have the January limited edition kit from My Creative Scrapbook. And let's see what we've got. I think I might have it upside down. I do. Let's add that. I'll flip that around like this. And look, I do remember last month that I saw the note that we would get a gift for January, and this must be it. Isn't that nice? Oh, look. Beauty lies within. Oh, those are great images. It's so funny. I love stamps and I have a bunch. But I don't do a lot with them, at least on my videos. I actually do, but for whatever reason, it's usually when I'm playing around and I'm doing stuff. So I am just going to have to use more of my stamps in my videos because I love, love, love this. Yay. So yay, I am so excited. Thank you, Pam. I appreciate it. Put that here and let's just take a look at what January has in store for us. I know you've noticed I used to do card videos. I don't do so much of them anymore. There just doesn't seem to be a lot of interest. So if I'm wrong and you are interested, then please leave me a comment below in this below this video and let me know if you're interested in a card making video. And I'll work on that. So let's see, here we have our gorgeous Prima flowers. Very nice. And our packet of ephemera, which I will set aside for now. And here are our chipboard stickers. Didn't get these last month, we got something else instead. Okay, very nice. Ooh, fancy cake. Kind of very pastel colors. And ooh, nice little chipboard. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's really nice. You know, I've been kind of gearing up to do a mixed media project, maybe a canvas. So this is the kind of thing that works perfect on a canvas. But this is so light too. This is super light. Like this is really thin and delicate, and so it would work great on a card as well. Oh, look at the stencil. Oh, that's great. I don't have that one. Very nice. Oh, I like it. And here's our papers. Let's see. Now, this collection is With Love collection. And it looks like it's by Prima. And this page is All That I Need. Isn't that sweet? Oh, I love the truck. So it looks like these are very pinky, very pastel, very love, I guess gearing up for the card makers and anybody who wants to use these papers for Valentine's Day, I presume. Lots of hearts and loves, so that's good timing. Oh, isn't that pretty? I like that. I like that, very nice. Let's see. Oh, isn't that pretty? That would be perfect for a layout. Look at that. Beautiful edge, nice empty kind of spot for you to add, you know, all kinds of, oh, what am I trying to say? Oh, all kinds of different like embellishments in your picture and inks and sprays and all kinds of goodies. That would be really, really pretty. This one's called Carry Me in Your Heart. Okay. Oh, that's sweet. Cakes and tea set, flowers. Oh, that's very pretty. Oh, here's nice. Here's a page that you can cut up and use as your sentiment or your focal point. It's very nice. I'm sorry. This one's called True Friendship. Look at that. That's nice. Ooh, cute polka dots. Very cute. Oh, look. Oh, that page is so pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a little bit of gold. Can you see the reflection? It's funny, when I edit it, sometimes I can see it, but like in my little screen, my little viewfinder, it's really hard for me to tell if you can see that or not. So anyway, that's real pretty. This one is called Stitched Hearts. Oh, it's very nice. That side is quite nice as well. And look, some of these strips, you know how much I love those. I have to do a project with those because I've got so many. But they come in handy. I just love that. Very nice. Oh, this must be a second page. And it is. Very cool. So we got two True Friendship pages. Very nice. And say, do we have this one? Nope, this is different. All of the Pretty Things. Here we go. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look, little lovebirds. That's sweet. Oh, what does it say? Always together, always. Oh, that's sweet. Okay. Oh, this looks like a duplicate. So we've got two of All That I Need. That's great because this is another one that has, you know, the little boxes you can cut out as your focal point. So we have two, so you can use, you can cut one up for the focal point, and on the other one you can use that as a background. Very nice. Oh, and another page here. This is another duplicate of All the Pretty Things. It's funny that they're not like side by side. Sometimes they are and sometimes they're not. And I think this is also, oh, we also have two of these pages, the Stitched Hearts. Well, that's handy. I think this one's different. Let's see. It is. This one's called Through the Garden. Oh, isn't that pretty? They're like windows or little frames, you know, with flowers and stuff. That's really pretty. I like that. All right. So let's take us back through. We've got our pretty papers that are all pretty and pink and pastel and ready for Valentine's Day. We have our stencil, our chipboard stickers, our little chipboards, our Prima flowers, and oh my gosh, I forgot to open my ephemera, and I love to do that. Hold on. Let's do that. All right, let's see what we've got. Let's just see what is in here. Ooh, there's a little heart. A couple little hearts left in there. Here's a big one, big heart, some flowers. I just love that. I don't know if you could see it very well, but it's like on that stitched heart page. Isn't that just sweet? I just think that's so pretty. So pretty. And tag. Oh, stuck to my finger. Oh, nice. Pretty cards. Isn't that nice? Yeah, these are really pretty images. Great to add to a card or in a journal. Now I do some journaling, so I mean that's great to add just as a little decoration in your journal, or all sorts of uses for these. You always pick me up. See that? Isn't that cute? And that's perfect because this kit always picks me up. It really does. I don't know. It's just fun to get something in the mail. You don't know what's in it. And it's always full of fun stuff and it's pretty. It's just fun. I enjoy it. And it really does always pick me up. All right. Let me get this out of the way. All right, there we go. That is the January limited edition kit for My Creative Scrapbook. And if you watch my videos, you know I will have close-up pictures at the end. And there'll also be a link in the description box that takes you to the My Creative Scrapbook website, and you can take a look to see if there's a kit that fits your needs. All right, if you like my unboxing videos, then please let me know. Give me the thumbs up, or better yet, leave a comment and tell me. I would really appreciate that. When you leave comments, it really helps YouTube creators because it shows YouTube that you're interested, and then they promote our video a little more. So I really appreciate it if you would leave a comment and let me know that you like it. Let me know maybe why you like it. Whatever you'd like to write, I'd appreciate it. All right, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video.